Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a brand new dish that's super simple, quick to make, yet surprisingly effective. Now let's get started. 1 zucchini. Remove the top and bottom, then cut it into equal pieces. Then use a spoon to remove all the core of the zucchini. I've added subtitles in multiple languages, so feel free to choose your preferred language. Leave a comment below and let me know which country you're watching from. It's truly amazing that we can connect and share with each other from all around the world. Make sure to watch until the end of the video so you don't miss any steps. Arrange the zucchini pieces one by one into the pot. White salt, black pepper, olive oil, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Smoked ham, tomato, cilantro, frig, you can also add other ingredients. Let me know what you would add. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Wow, it looks so delicious and beautiful. Do you want to try it right now? So that's it, a tasty, simple and easy to make dish. With an air fryer, we can create so many delicious meals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below to support me. See you in the next videos and thank you for watching.